With the Cooking Light diet, I've lost 60 pounds so far, and my relationship with food has changed in that I no longer feel guilty eating certain foods. It used to be if I ate pizza or a hamburger or too much in general, I'd feel very guilty, I'd beat myself up, I'd end up overeating again, and it was a very vicious cycle. But with the Cooking Light diet, I don't ever feel bad about myself for anything I've eaten. As I lost weight, I was able to shop in normal stores. I didn't have to go to the plus size department or the plus stores anymore. And it was an amazing feeling to have to buy new clothes because you've outgrown them by getting smaller rather than getting bigger. I'm getting used to my new body and my new appetite and letting that all sink in. I would describe the Cooking Light diet in 3 words by using amazing, doable, and sustainable.